Well, then you just put in this pencil when you're going to use one hand as a vise of some sort. This is a little pony vise. It doesn't cost very much. You can't take a whole lot of torque on it, but it's handy to have around. It's small and it'll fit on the edge of a counter. I had to cut a groove out of the corner of this what do you call it, for market top, because it has a curve on the end to keep stuff from rolling off of it. Other than that, put some screws into it and they're pretty good. Cracked it a little bit, not good for that, but well worth the time and effort. I'm just going to file a little bit of a groove off the top of this. This piece that goes in my printer. The right part there. Yeah, this piece here. So the paper doesn't snag on it. Plastic doesn't file that well, but I could take a knife and trim it off. I don't want to risk cutting too much of the plastic off and having a surface to glue on. Glue I'm going to put right underneath that spot that I just filed, a little farther back from that, and then just slide it on the line on the printer where it was. That piece broke off before, and this one was doing the job, but after about 50 or 60 sheets of paper, it finally pushed it off. It wasn't tight enough to hold it on there. The cord loosened up. Anyway, duct tape is great for bullet holes and ballast tanks and stuff like that. And a lot of other household chores, but it doesn't hold horizontal sliding. It doesn't do very good with horizontal sliding on flash-shaped surfaces. So we got some crazy good day. A little tricky using one of these with one hand. Everything's tricky with one hand. You just gotta hope you. That's why I got a pony vise one instead of one of very big, huge vices. My hand can't reach the span to the handle. Okay, so we got that filed off pretty well. Now the paper will slide up there without snagging on it. Stack up in there until it gets. Well, I'm not going to ever print out 25 or 30 sheets of paper, I don't think. Well, I might, but it's far enough. I'm going to get a lot of plastic on the floor. No, more plastic. Some dirt there. Okay, well, I just wanted to get that down before we do it. Vise. Yeah, most of the plastic is still in that vise. I don't want to get it out of the vise. I haven't figured it out yet. I could just take this newspaper here that's been sitting here for a while and drag it backwards. Yeah, drag it backwards across the newspaper and that cleaned most of the plastic out. Don't lose this piece I just worked on. I don't have another one. If I lose that, I'll have to find out the original piece that broke off, which I think I threw away or something. Which is odd because I never throw anything away. But I can't find it now. So I'll show you that after I get it put together. I don't think I'm going to film gluing it since I don't want to get the glue on me while I'm doing it. Anyway. It's a little bit tricky. It's going to be kind of a tricky job gluing that. I'm not going to use much glue. Advice, you don't want to shut the, you don't want to leave it gaping open because then you're going to walk by it and snag yourself on it. You don't want to shut it all the way because it's cold down here. If it gets hot for some reason, the temperature goes up, the metal expands, and it breaks your vise. Little cotter pins holding the mechanism together. It'll come apart. And pony vices don't hold to a whole lot of breaking or refixing. Pretty much have to get a new one if I did that. Okay, this film is over. I'll beat that. That part is finished. It's going to go on the printer now. Like that. It's going to sit on the printer like that, or it's going to clip on the printer like that. Catch the paper, the vertical part. Hopefully that sounds okay.